In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to start building with HTML and CSS in VS Code using just the tools you need. First, create a folder. I'm going to call mine CSS Setup. Next, drag that folder right into VS Code. Next, I want you to click the file icon and name it index.html. I want you to click the file icon again and name it style.css. These are the only two files that you need. Next, I want you to go to the extensions and install something called Live Server. Now we'll go back to the index.html page, and at the top of the page I want you to type HTML, and then I want you to click on HTML5. That will automatically add this starter HTML code to your page. Next, in the body, I want you to type header with a class of header. Then I want you to type main with a class of main. And then I want you to type footer with a class of footer. Now let's just put a tiny bit of text on the page. So in the header, I'm going to say h1 with a class of primary heading, and we'll say my heading. Next, in main, I'm going to type some paragraph tags and the word lorem and hit enter, and that adds some text to the page. And then down in the footer, I'm going to type P for paragraph, and we'll say copyright 2025. Now, in the lower right-hand corner, I want you to click the button or the words Go Live. And this automatically opens up a browser tab, and you are now running a local live server using VS Code. Next, let's link our styles. We have a style sheet called style.css. In the head of your web page, of your document, I want you to type link, enter. And the href attribute is style.css. Now your styles are linked. So let's go to style and add a couple of styles, and then I'll show you how to make sure this is all working. So our header, our primary heading, let's add a class, primary heading, and we'll say color red. Next, we'll add a class for our paragraphs, and we'll say color blue. Next, we'll add styles for the footer, and we'll say color orange. You can see here that Live Server is also automatically updating as you save your documents. This is how we know that our CSS is correctly linked to the document. Now you can continue to build and style your web page. It's really that easy. All you need is an index.html and a style.css, and you can build a web page with VS Code and the Live Server extension. Happy coding!